How to fix MetaQuest app, something went wrong, error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, verify your internet connection. Check your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data to ensure it is stable and working properly. If using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router for a stronger signal. Also consider restarting your router or modem if you continue to experience connectivity issues. Second, restart the Meta app. Close the MetaQuest app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps list. Now, wait a second or few and then relaunch the app from your device's home screen. Check if the error persists after restarting the app. If yes, check for MetaQuest app updates. Open Google Play Store or App Store on your device and search for MetaQuest in the search bar. And if an update is available, you will see an option to update the app. Tap on it to install the latest version. And lastly, clear the cache in MetaQuest app. Launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Now tap on the MetaQuest app and further tap on the Offload app option and offload the app in order to remove cache from your device. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix MetaQuest app something went wrong error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.